Most reward apps don't fail because they don't work. They fail because beginners pick apps with complicated tasks, high payout thresholds, or unclear tracking, then assume the system is broken. By the end of this, you'll know 5 reward apps that beginners usually start with, how each one actually pays, and what setup mistakes slow people down right from the beginning. Start with what makes a reward app beginner-friendly. It usually comes down to 3 things: simple tasks, clear tracking, and low effort to reach your first reward. If an app hides progress or takes too long to show earnings, beginners usually quit before their first payout. First category is game-based reward apps. These apps are beginner-friendly because the tasks are simple. Download a game, play, and reach small milestones. You don't need special skills, just consistent usage over time. Second category is survey reward apps. These apps pay you for answering questions. They're easy to start, but eligibility varies based on your profile, which means not every survey is available to every user. Third category is cashback apps. These apps reward you for shopping or scanning receipts. They feel simple because you're doing things you already do, but earnings depend entirely on purchases or receipts. Fourth category is task-based micro-reward apps. These apps combine small actions like signing up for offers, watching ads, or testing apps. They're easy to understand, but offer availability changes frequently. Fifth category is hybrid beginner apps. These apps mix games, surveys, and small tasks in one place, so beginners can switch between earning methods if one slows down. Now, here's what actually matters when choosing your first app. Clarity of earnings is the biggest factor. If you can't easily see how close you are to a reward, motivation drops fast. Task availability matters just as much. If there are no active offers, even simple apps become slow. And payout structure affects how quickly you feel progress. Some apps technically work, but feel slow because rewards are spaced out over higher thresholds. So instead of picking the highest paying app first, beginners usually do better starting with the simplest system they can actually finish a first payout on. Summary: beginner reward apps work best when tasks are simple and progress is visible. Speed depends on clarity, task availability, and payout structure. No app guarantees easy earnings without consistency. Next step: pick one beginner-friendly reward app and complete your first task just to see how tracking and rewards actually appear in real time. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.